I know you already guessed right where we're going. Yes, you're correct. I'm going to that town where shit happens. Let's go disturb the city, period. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Jennigo, and I'm here with another banger. So I'm going to the train station right now, and I'll update you all on what's happening and where we're headed. Well, you must have seen the title of this video. We're going to London. Yes, we're back in 5 days. I'll update you. I'll keep you posted on everything that is happening. All right, see you in a bit. Bye. This is terrible. The train is choked up. I don't know where everybody's going to. There's no space. I just found the seat and I'm sitting down, and luckily this is by my side. Stressful. We're still going. We almost missed the train. I don't know what we're thinking. Heading now.
You know, my mate's English mate. That's a class, you know.
That's clear cabin. It's crazy.
Class.
It's crazy. These men are cracking me up here.
Five water more than you. Aston is the king. And so is too. Super Bobby Taylor, we'll sing a song for you.
How many minutes? So we're somewhere around. Let's go.
Thank you for your patience on waiting. We'll be with you shortly.
Alright, that's fine. We'll see. Yeah. So guys, we finally lodged in, finally got into the hotel. I'm so stressed and tired. I'll just have a shower afterwards. I'll give you a room tour. You need to see my view, guys. You need to see my view. I'll give you a proper room tour after we have a proper shower. I'm so tired. All right, see you guys in a bit. Bye. Just ignore me. I'm still looking very stressed. I'm very tacky. We've ordered food. We have stew, I guess. I don't know. Hobby ordered this thing. I really don't know what he got. Rice and this is rice. And this is for me, obviously. So let's eat. After eating, we'll just do that tour. So watch the space. I'm going to show you the room in a minute. Okay. So let's do a quick room tour. Here is the entrance door. Where's the light? So that's the light. That's the entrance door. You're coming through that door. And the first thing you see by your right hand side, first closet door. This is mine. This is my makeup bag. But every other thing came in with it, and that's my wig up there. So we have a hair dryer and some things going on there. This is my makeup things, and we have 1, 2 with slippers. Maybe even take one out. Over here is the wardrobe. We've already put some stuff in it. So it's a double door wardrobe. Okay, and it has some space up. To your left is the bathroom. So it has this cute sliding door. So that's it. So we walk into the bathroom. You see this pretty girl. Then there's this cute mirror I like here because it's like zooming into your face. And then just some soaps, and then extra towels down there. That's the bathroom. I love it. It's just like a whole palace on its own. Really spacious. That's it, the whole of it. And then the toilet, nothing much. We have this cute stand, like a coffee station thing going on here. I have like a coffee station thing going on here. Before that, this like safe here, which you can put anything. About to put in my laptop here. And there's another one here. So this is a mini coffee bar, cups, and you know, a whole lot of thing going on there. Okay, jugs, kind of like cute though. And then we have a mini bar going on down here. So we have coffee, you know, all those stuff, milk and chocolates, you know, just some those cute things. Then we have a mini bar. We have drinks, and then the freezer, I guess. Okay, but every single thing here, I think you have to pay for it when you want it. It's clearly written there. There's this lighting thing going on here, bathroom lights, privacy, you know, all those good stuff. Moving forward, let's go this way first. So it's an art hotel, so you see art everywhere. It has this lovely picture up there, and then this one. And these are just my stuff, my items, my box. I'll put them away soon. And then a very big smart TV with this lovely, I love this work. It's beautiful. So that's it. And then it has this table. Comes with this reading light, a landline. Every other thing there is mine. That's my laptop, and there's a tab, the hotel tab. Yeah. So we'll come this way. There's this cute mirror I love there. Like, it's so beautiful. You can just, you know. And then this is the bed. Ignore, we've slept. And then we just woke up. So this is what's going on here. The same light situation thing going on here. You know, just okay. So The same thing going on here, light thing, nothing much here. Now to my best part of this room. Let me just show you. This is my view. This is my view, guys. This is what I can see from the 7th floor of this building. I wonder the people that are in the 18th floor what they're seeing. This is it. This is beautiful. I'm going to get a picture of it at night as well, just to see how beautiful it is. Look at how beautiful this place is. I love it. And then these cute blinds. You can also take it to dark mode as well. You can just close it up and then it closes. So you can also decide you want your privacy and then shut the blinds, and you have that, you know, cinematic vibe, which I love. So basically this is it. It's beautiful, honestly. We just need to relax, honestly. I think we're stressed at this point, although we've eaten. So catch you later, keep up with us and see everything that's going to be happening in London. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Toodles.